And the journey begins.
It does, yes. What are we doing?
Picking up a van.
Going to buy a van. Hopefully. Anyway, we've seen plenty of pictures of it. We've spoke to the guy who's selling it.
A lot.
About 5-6 times. One of which was for about half an hour when he was explaining exactly what had been done to it. So, hopefully, all being well, it's a one-way train ticket.
It's so exciting.
It's so exciting. Feels like we've waited for this for so long. We started talking about getting a proper van years ago.
Before Charlie was born.
And he just turned 3. So, all being well, as long as everything checks out. I mean, touch wood, there's not really much that we're looking for in terms of like rust or...
It don't look like it. Like, we spoke
like
to the
that,
guy so much, and he's explained every single thing that he's done.
Yeah.
So it would really, really surprise me if it was something that made us not buy it now.
Yeah, exactly.
Then it's going to be like he completely lied about everything.
Yeah, I can't see it. Not after all the pictures and after all the times we've spoken to him. But it's really nice because the guy is like a proper van lifer. So the first time we spoke to him, he just wanted to talk about the van, like everything that had been done to it. He sounds a bit disappointed to be selling it. But,
he loves it, you can see he loves it.
It's been well taken care of, so all being well, it'll be what we're looking for. We'll see.
One for you, one for me.
Thanks.
Luxury this is. Homemade bread, homemade cheese.
You like.
Homemade bread though.
Homemade bread.
Homemade sandwiches.
Yeah, really good.
Best. Picnic food.
Yeah.
Can't buy a van on an empty stomach.
True.
Have to make the right decisions.
Very true.
We got a van!
Hey, she's ours!
It feels unreal.
She's a beauty.
Yeah. It just feels insane.
So good. So good.
She's ours. We're driving home. We're taking it home.
We're taking it home. Yeah.
I can't believe it.
So we've been driving it for an hour or two now, and oh my god, we're in love. It is so beautiful. Just look at it. It is honestly just absolutely stunning. It's a rare high top. It's just got everything. It's honestly. So just while Molin's using the toilet real quick, I'll give you a quick look around. Obviously we'll give you a proper tour later, but she's a beauty. So obviously with it being a high top, we've got all of this space. Like, that is insane. We got the little kitchen, gas cooker, we got a nice big compressor fridge and the bed at the back, little window, love that. It's got a toilet, it's prepared for a shower, but there's no shower in here at the moment, but that's on the to-do list. What are your thoughts?
I love it. I can't believe it.
Almost can't believe it's ours.
I know. He's not sunk in yet.
No,
That we
no.
actually bought this.
There's a lot to do, like, cosmetically with it to get it like how we want it. Mostly sort of stuff on the walls and whatever. It's
Not tried
carpeted.
this yet. All right, drive me home.
We've had a couple of hours in it now. Obviously, only driving and stuff.
Yeah.
But you get a bit of a feel for it, don't you?
It's sad that we have to go home and just park it and go and like put kids to bed and stuff. Feels like you want to spend the whole night here, but
Have a glass of wine in it. Take the baby monitor out of it.
yeah, exactly. I can't wait to show Charlie the bus
No.
because he's so excited. When we said the other day that Charlie, we just bought a van, every time we've said anything since then, he's like, should we go buy a van? Are we going? Every time you get in the car, are we buying a van? We're not buying a van
You
now.
went shopping yesterday.
Yeah.
Shopping to buy a van.
But now it's less than an hour and then we're home.
Yeah.
And I can't wait to be home now.
Yeah, it's been a long day.
A really long day. We'll see you guys when we're at home, I guess.
Wow. Oh, and then shoes off. Oh.
Wow, mysigt! Ska vi sitta här och äta frukost?
Nu?
Ja.
Nej. Ja, så gjorde jag hade frukost. Mysigt.
Mysigt!
Och jag får äta mat.
Ska hon ta sig strumpor som kan äta mat?
Jag med.
Okay. Apparently you can't wear socks when you eat breakfast.
No.
It's a well-known rule, isn't it?
No socks in the breakfast bus.
Inte det jag tror.
Ja, inte till om full, nej.
There's one.
Nej. Här är
Okay. Feels so big.
Yeah.
Put your arms up.
I barely reached to the roof.
It's crazy, isn't it?
It's crazy. Hungry kiddos. Bella, Charlie. Should maybe brought some plates.
Oh yeah. That was silly. Thank you. Wow, Charlie, are you in the captain's chair? How is it? Is it comfy? Yeah. Is it- Papa sit there?
Yeah.
Yeah? Ah.
Not så det borde så på så sätt.
Okay.
Så jag sitter där.
Okay.
Like, it's not the best view. We're set on a school parking, but it feels so nice to just come here and like, use it.
Yeah, for sure. We couldn't let it sit outside the house and not come out and eat breakfast.
No, exactly. Bella spotted the cheese. That's why
She spotted the cheese.
Yeah.
Oi. No cheese in bed.
No cheese in bed.
What do we think, guys? Is the bed nice?
Yeah.
Does it feel good and comfy?
You need some light up here.
Yeah. We've only got lights in the front
Yeah.
and one in the bathroom as well, but none at the back. Everybody happy?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do you love it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Anything, anything that needs changing?
No.
Anything that you really love?
Yeah.
What do you really love?
Up there.
Up here,
Upstairs.
upstairs, the bed. Yeah. Yeah, I think 5-star reviews all round, isn't it?
Yeah, everybody's loving it.
Yeah.
Bit too exciting.
A little bit too much, yeah, but I think it was always going to be like that, wasn't it?
Yeah, definitely.
So I think we're onto a winner, to be honest. We've got plenty of adventures to come in this, haven't we?
Definitely.
Yeah. It's going to be a fun project for sure.
Yeah.
But we'll leave it there for today. Thanks very much for joining us on this really exciting journey, and make sure you hit the subscribe button and join us next time and see how this little project goes. We'll see you next time.
See you next time.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.